daytime POV for y'all. It might go all the way to the night, but I don't know yet. Right now I'm finna go meet up with the guys. We having this little mandatory car meet. Well, it's not a car meet. It's a we're doing like this little clothing drive for kids. So donate clothes, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna go meet them up there. I was in a rush, so I didn't get to grab any clothes, but trust me, I would have grabbed a bag of clothes, but I just walked in the house and walked right out. Sunday, you know I got church, so anyways, I hope y'all enjoy this POV. Like, comment, subscribe, and thank y'all, man. I'm gonna walk down the line. Bro, where's my jacket? I need to put my jacket. That hum, red eye motherfucker. Yes sir, we got this whole deep. I don't think you can fit right
Would I
there.
be wrong if asking them what they cost? I can't lie, this so clean like this.
Oh, $3.92? Okay. Maybe they got no power steering. Bro, look at these niggas, bro. Maniacs. Look at me and Mark just cruising, bro.
The Tim's kind of heavy. It wasn't me. It was the Tim.
This way, this way, this way. They outside too.
Ain't that tire shit? It's smoking. That's the SRT shit. It's smoking. That's not SRT shit. That's the SRT.
Burn this hoe out, nigga. Burn this hoe out, nigga. He said you do one, the cat gonna do one, nigga. Hey, leave. Who got a water bottle? This side not spinning.
That shit is hard to spin. Looking on the other side. I ain't know there's all them.
He said I put some water on that motherfucker.
Them hoes thirsty. He said them hoes thirsty. Hey, what the fuck? Them hoes thirsty. Them hoes thirsty. Y'all get small.
Motherfucker red eye. Yeah.
Somebody dropped their shit.
Uh-oh, somebody gonna be mad about that. I ain't got the Hellcat, motherfucker. Yeah. Yeah. Do that. Hold on, OG.
Hey, they think they can't skate. Come with that.
Yes, sir. My tire, I got fucking drags, bro.
Ooh, why the fuck you do that? Why do you do that?
I got drag tire. I can spin that hoe a little bit, but red eye. Ugh. Okay, so I'm finna go to the crib. I gotta do something. Drop the dashboard off for the Chrysler, so I'm gonna take y'all with me. But hope y'all enjoyed what was going on. We had a pretty good time. Be probably out later tonight. And yeah, bro, thank y'all so much.